Russia's most effective weapon system is the Lancet Kamikaze drone due to its flexibility, targeting capability, with a warhead enough to damage or destroy most equipment. After localizing a target, a small crew can launch up a Lancet drone and target the equipment even on the move, making only 3 possible ways to avoid getting destroyed equipment. Either the drone doesn't find you, it's shut down, or in this case, the equipment is a decoy version. As the Lancet drone thought it would target an IRIS-T SLM launcher hiding in a tree line, the camera footage would be enough to fool the Russian surveillance team, wasting a Lancet drone on a wooden decoy, letting the real IRIS-T systems to do their jobs at another location, letting Russia to claim another destroyed equipment, while however leaving one more for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.